Homeownership in Jacksonville Beach offers the unique opportunity to enjoy a beautiful coastal lifestyle. However, with the salty air and humid climate, keeping your home in top shape can be a challenge. One aspect of your home that can greatly benefit from an upgrade is your windows. Window replacement in Jacksonville Beach offers numerous advantages, improving both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Here are the top benefits of investing in window replacement for homeowners in Jacksonville Beach. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of replacing old windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows often have gaps, cracks, or poor insulation, allowing heat to escape during the cooler months and warm air to enter during the summer. This can make it harder to regulate the temperature inside your home, leading to higher energy bills. Modern windows are designed to offer superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Energy-efficient windows can prevent air leakage and reduce the need for constant heating and cooling, which can lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills. Many window manufacturers also offer Energy Star-rated windows, ensuring maximum energy efficiency and reduced environmental impact. Increased curb appeal. First impressions matter, and windows play a significant role in the overall appearance of your home. Replacing outdated or damaged windows can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal. Whether you are looking to sell your property or simply want to refresh its look, new windows can give your home a modern, stylish facelift. New windows come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to customize them to match the aesthetic of your home. From sleek, contemporary designs to more traditional looks, replacing your windows provides an excellent opportunity to improve the exterior appearance of your home and increase its overall value. Improved security. Old windows can pose a security risk. As windows age, their locks and seals may become worn, leaving your home more vulnerable to break-ins. In Jacksonville Beach, where the oceanfront can make properties desirable targets for intruders, securing your home is crucial. Modern window designs feature stronger, more durable materials and enhanced locking mechanisms that make it much harder for intruders to break in. By investing in window replacement, you can bolster the security of your home, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Better protection against the elements. Living near the coast means facing the unique challenge of dealing with salty air, high humidity, and intense storms. Over time, the salty sea breeze can deteriorate window seals, frames, and glass. This leads to issues like condensation, drafts, and water damage, which can affect the structural integrity of your home. Replacing old windows with newer, weather-resistant models can protect your home from the harsh elements of Jacksonville Beach. Modern windows are designed to withstand wind, rain, and humidity, reducing the risk of leaks and damage. Impact-resistant windows, for example, can provide protection during hurricane season, safeguarding your home against storm damage. Noise reduction. If you live near busy streets, the beach, or other noisy areas in Jacksonville Beach, you may find that external noise can interfere with your peace and quiet. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, often provide little soundproofing. Replacing these windows with double-pane or triple-pane alternatives can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. The added insulation in modern windows helps to absorb and block outside noise, providing a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. Whether you're looking to create a peaceful living room or a serene bedroom, window replacement can make a big difference in your home's sound quality. Low maintenance. Old windows often require regular maintenance, from repainting wooden frames to fixing broken seals. This can be time-consuming and costly. With new window technology, many modern materials, such as vinyl and fiberglass, require little to no maintenance. These materials are highly durable, resistant to weathering, and easy to clean, saving you time and money on upkeep. Additionally, the latest window designs often feature self-cleaning glass, which can significantly reduce the amount of cleaning required. Homeowners who choose new windows can enjoy the convenience of low-maintenance options that keep their homes looking great year-round without the hassle of constant repairs. Increased home value. Finally, window replacement is an investment that can increase the resale value of your home. Buyers are often drawn to homes with energy-efficient features, enhanced curb appeal, and improved security. By replacing your windows, you're making your home more appealing to potential buyers, which can result in a higher resale value. In Jacksonville Beach, where the real estate market is competitive, having modern, efficient windows can help your property stand out from others on the market. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, knowing that your windows will add value to your home can provide long-term financial benefits. Conclusion. For homeowners in Jacksonville Beach, window replacement offers a wide range of benefits. From improved energy efficiency and reduced utility costs to better protection against the elements and increased curb appeal, upgrading your windows can make a significant difference in your home's comfort, security, and value. Whether you're aiming to improve your home's aesthetic, enhance energy savings, or protect against coastal weather, replacing your windows is an investment worth considering.